Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. So, welcome to my returning and new watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming. Thank you so much to my members. Thanks for all your continued support and for watching my video. And I also wanted to mention, if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. The subscribe button's below. You click the join and it's free to subscribe. Thanks so much. And yeah, I wanted to show a few things I had bought from Maxim about, I think it was last month or the month before. I was looking for the receipt and somehow the order wasn't showing up on my Maxim account. But I know I bought it and I looked for the email too and I couldn't find it, so I couldn't find the exact date and I couldn't find the prices, so sorry about that. But I had a coupon and I had seen that the color for one of the kits that I really wanted, the russet color for one of BagODay Crochet's Cocoon cardigan kit, was back in stock, so I got it. So it's like, okay, I really didn't need two kits for the same thing with different colored yarns, but I really did like it. So, and I've been wanting this little cow guy for a while. I don't know if he'll be too hard for me to make, but I think he's super cute. When I visited Scotland, we saw some Highland cows, so that was very cool. Reminds me of Scotland. And yeah, so I don't know if the kit's still on sale or not. This is what the little cow looks like. They have a dark brown and a lighter brown colored cow. Isn't he adorable? Apparently he comes with yarn, a hook, a needle, instructions, and safety eyes. No filler. So the yarn that comes in, and it was, oh, I guess this is the hook. They stuck it in the yarn. The yarn is the Red Heart Soft. The colorway is, what is this colorway? I don't know. Tostado. It says there's no dye lot for these. It's number 4 weight yarn. It recommends an I9 or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook or 5 millimeter size US 8 knitting needles. Machine wash and dry. Don't iron. 100% acrylic yarn. Made in Turkey. And it is, apparently to make that pattern you need 2 balls. You can get that pattern free on your inspirations. It's 5 ounces or 141 grams, 256 yards or 234 meters, sorry. And that's what I just read to you guys. It's a really pretty brown color. So that's his main body color. I'm sure this is probably for his little horn. They just included some yarn with no name. The safety eyes, that's what safety eyes look like. And this must be for his feet or something? I don't know. And there's the little cow guy. Sorry, didn't mean to yawn. That's cool. The pattern looks pretty detailed. It says intermediate. Apparently they have a QR code you can scan that gives you video tips and French instructions. The pattern notes. Okay, they show you how to seam him up. So that's kind of cool. So it's good instructions. So like they tell you where to add the hair and the horns. Like finishing, how to do the tail. That's pretty nice. Cool. Exciting. It's plenty of yarn. Maybe you can make more than one cow. But yeah, so that was cool. I thought he was really cute. Maybe I'll make him someday. Maybe. So yeah, so that bag was a little busted, so I went ahead and I put it in another plastic bag. Yeah, so the kit does not come with the polyfill. or fiber fill. It says sold separately. That's fine. I already have some. But yeah, you should always check when you're buying these kits to see what they come with. I don't know why they would think that you would have fiber fill, but you wouldn't have a crochet hook. But, I guess you can fill it with other stuff too. Sorry. Should have done that off camera. Lots of crinkling noise. Anyways. So, this is the color that I really wanted, which is the russet. I'll open it now in a second. It's the Lala Cardigan from BagODay Crochet, sold by Maxim. They sell you the kit, depending the size that you need is how much yarn comes in it. This is the pattern. It comes in the clear see-through tote bag. So it's 9 skeins, and I think I ordered the large, extra large, just so I could have some extra yarn. And this is the colorway. It's like a reddish orange. I guess I can open one little corner to show you guys since it's already in plastic. So that's the color. Isn't that pretty? And it's Maxim Starlet yarn, worsted weight yarn. It's like a thicker, definitely a number 4. It's nice and soft. It's 100% acrylic yarn. It says they recommend a 5mm US H8 hook or 5mm US 8 knitting needles. Care instructions on reverse side of label. Machine washable and dryable. This color is russet. It's made in Turkey. It says it's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, approximately 180 yards per skein or 165 meters. So yeah. And Crystal from BagODay Crochet has a video tutorial for this cardigan. I will put it here in this corner of the video. It'll be an eye. Also, great news. Congratulations, Crystal. BagODay Crochet just released in a partnership with Maxim her new yarn, the tonal yarn. It's a tonal kind of ombre sort of yarn. Do I have it right here, the magazine? No, I don't. I don't have the catalog right here. Anyways, go to Maxim's site to check it out, or to Crystal BagODay Crochet's channel. She has a video talking about her process. There it is. That's the yarn. That's the catalog where it came about the yarn. That's one of the kits. This one's, I believe, was designed by Maxim. This is the new yarn. Yay, go check it out. This, sorry. Pointing is hard. This pattern was designed by Crystal, and this one was as well as the yarn. It'll say when you go to purchase the kits or look at them. And the yarn is very beautiful. I'm waiting for my order. So yeah, so now you know. Also, I saw that Maxim announced that they have the Big Twist Value Pound skeins for sale there, $8.99. And Hirschner has announced that they're going to carry the Big Twist Value line. And they haven't really announced which other yarns of Big Twist they will carry, yarn lines of Big Twist they will carry besides the value one. Oh, I need to put the pattern back in here. I still have a lot of other videos to do, but I'm still really tired and busy. This top I made recently. I showed it in one of my videos where the pattern was. The pattern is from a book. And it was using the Burnout Wavelengths yarn. I think it was the pearl colorway. And then I really always liked this color of that yarn, so I decided to also get a second kit of hers for the, I think it's called the Easy Cardigan. Let me see what the name is. Yeah, easy crochet cardigan pattern. Sorry. So that's the picture. Woo. It's there on Mary Maxim's site. Crystal also has a video tutorial for this cardigan. It comes with 6 skeins of this yarn, and I really like this color. I had bought it in red and showed it before on my channel. But I mean, you can also make, you know, if I decide that one sweater is enough, I can always make a different pattern with the same with this yarn, so or do a different kit. Mary Maxim Marvelous Chunky is the yarn. It's really nice and soft. It's a number 5 bulky weight yarn. They recommend size 6mm US 10 knitting needles. It doesn't say the crochet hook. It says approximately 270 yards or 250 meters. 100% acrylic, 200 grams, 7 ounces. It's made in Turkey. This is called colorway Chocolate Mint. It's brown with turquoise and orange mixed in there, kind of marled. It does have a dye lot number. Care instructions: machine washable and dryable, and wash using gentle, delicate cycle for 2 minutes, and tumble dry using low heat for a maximum of 5 minutes. Remove and lay flat to dry. Do not dry clean. And I already said, I think. Made in Turkey, 270 yards, 250 meters. Yeah. So yeah, so that's all the stuff. Very pretty, and you know, yeah. And there's the rest of the skein, so it's all 6 of them. So, folks, thanks so much for watching. I was going to make this video nice and short and sweet so I can get back to all the other things that I'm doing. And, yeah, that's it for today. So I know I had bought this, let's see if I can get it and not drop all the things. This summer mosaic Yuletide Julie Yeager Designs, the summer mosaic. This is also a Mary Maxim Afghan kit. I believe I already showed it on the channel, but I can't remember, and I can't remember which video. So if you have seen the video that I did unboxing this, please let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't seen the video and you want to see it, let me know. And I'll show it in one of my next videos. But pretty much, and I think I probably got this when they have that they take 25% off the crochet kits, their Afghan kits. So this is pretty much all done with Starlet yarn is in this kit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12 skeins of that Starlet yarn in this cream color. That colorway is called Natural. 1 skein of this blue. 1 skein of this green. 1 skein of a darker green. The darker green is called Deep Green. Might as well. And these are all the same sizes as that russet yarn. This pretty lime green color is called Lime. I think the blue is called Azure. And then there's a black, then there's a dark blue, a navy blue, which is dark azure. And then it calls for russet, but I guess they didn't have the smaller ones, so they sent me a Premier Basics in the colorway Ember as a substitute. And they put a note in there as sorry for the substitution. So overall, it's $12 skeins of the white, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 17 skeins overall. So the rest are the 2 different tones of greens, 2 different tones of blues, and the russet color. So I'm sure you probably have yarn left over, or you can make it bigger, I guess, if you wanted to. And the patterns included in there. So anyways, I guess you can let me know in the comments below. Whoops, I dropped some things. If I did or didn't show it in another video, But now I don't have to show it in another video because I showed it in this one more or less. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day or night. Bye.